have now finished our basic app. What's missed is to add automation via this button here, which starts and stops the app, which means starting and stopping flows and dashboards. To do this, we need to add tags to the flow. So if you add the tag automate dash node name or router name, this flow is activated at this router. A shortcut for flow director is just automate. So we use the automate tag to activate this flow automatically on router flow director. Same for the message producer flow. And we do it for the dashboard too. Automate. Back to the flow orchestrator, and now watch. If I stop the app, the flows are deactivated. If I start the app, they are redeployed, so updated and activated. And now we need to link the app with the Git repository. To do it, I create a new repository. This works similar with Bitbucket and GitLab. I use GitHub, give it a name, introduction, basic stuff, and description, basic stuff app. And then mark it as private, and this is important. You need at least to add one file to be able to commit to this repository. This is branch master, and I copy the HTTPS URL and paste it here. Branch is master, and I use the personal access token as a username. Now the app is linked to this Git repository. What we now need to do is to commit and push it to the repository, add a message, first commit. Okay, from this app, and then push it. And if you see here and refresh, you see the content here. This content is wholly managed by Flow Director. You don't need to change anything. It's just a repository. Now I have another cloud instance running for testing, and I would like to install this app from Git. So I take the Git URL, paste it here, branch is master, and my token, and create. So this app is cloned from Git and installed in this Flow Director instance in the cloud. Now log into this app, and you see it runs. Takes a while until data comes in, but you see the flows are activated, and if I add a tag, test, so I modify this app and push it, or commit and push it, add it tag test, Then I can go back to the other instance, my local instance, which does not have the tag yet, and pull it. And you see you have the changes here. So you can collaborate on the app as you like. An app that is linked to a Git repository is automatically updated every hour. So it's basically a pull every hour from the Git repository. If you don't want it, switch it off and use pull from remote. Now we have only an admin user who can do everything. If you don't want that, you have to add new users that can have a dedicated menu. Choose the menu editor and give it a name, say user, and then for this app just add this dashboard menu with tag selector, add a title and the statistic tag to display the dashboard, and create a user. Name is user, password maybe change me, and the menu is user. And then mark it as read only, which has the effect that the three buttons above disappear and the user cannot perform any change operation. Log out and then log in as user. Yeah, as you see, the three buttons have disappeared and the user has only the menu defined in menu users. Adding a read-only user works. So let's go back to the login and log in as admin and then push the changes. User with menu user, add it and push it. Let's check the repository, refresh, and you see the changes have been committed and pushed. Git integration makes it very easy to maintain your installments of an app by just pushing changes into the master branch, for example. In real life you would have, of course, different branches. We use Git flow where we have a master branch which is a release version, the production version, and a develop branch where we have our develop version and various other branches, feature branches that we merge into develop. And then when we are going to release, we merge develop into master. So, and if you have an app that is installed 1,000 times, these apps automatically update themselves through Git every hour, as I said, or manual if they choose to do so. And so you have all your installments up to date and upgraded in one go. That's a big advantage of Git integration. Thanks for watching.